Oh my gosh, why is that gonna be making that noise? What? Okay. Oh my gosh. It's so hot, you all, because I was dancing because, you know, I was feeling myself or whatever. But what is up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Okay, yes, I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute, you guys, but you know, I had to take my break, you guys, you know, here and there, you know, God telling me I need to take a break and just chill, then I'm gonna take a break and just chill, you know what I'm saying? Because I got a lot of things planned, a lot of things that I want to do, you know, God is giving me ideas, and I have to, you know, frequently take my social media breaks, you know, for my mental health and my spirituality. It really does help me, you guys, and that's why I come back glowing, okay, Hunksy? That's why I come back glowing. So thank you guys for being patient and for understanding. For those who are my loyal subscribers, y'all are thebomb.com. okay, so thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, you guys, today I just decided I was gonna do a little makeup video, and I was gonna also do like a split screen and show you guys me drawing too, because you know how I want to do the art and the makeup, you know what I'm saying, at the same time. So I think that was gonna be a little cute or whatever. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to do this little video for you guys today since it was cute and simple, and I've been having some technical difficulties with my equipment, y'all, so I gotta get that together, and I gotta get Bae to help me, because you know Bae, he know all about that technology stuff. So you know what I'm saying, Bae, please help me out, because you know I'm just trying to do my art, you know what I'm saying? That's all I want to do. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you guys, yeah, I think that's all I have to say. And also check out my shop, you guys. I have prints on there. I'm going to be adding more prints soon. And I also have my raw bundle, which is basically about to be sold out because I'm almost out of supplies for that, you guys. So check that out before everything is gone, okay? Get your stuff for Christmas or whatever. But yeah, you guys, if you want to check my shop out, you can look at my description box for the link, okay? That's shop.rawsueshii.my Actually, no, that's shop.rawsueshii.com. Wow, I don't even know my own site, you guys. But anyways, yeah, you guys, enjoy the video. Alrighty, you guys, so today is not a art tutorial or a makeup tutorial, you guys. I just wanted to talk with you guys and just chit chat a little bit, because I don't know, I love to talk, you guys, and especially love to talk to you guys, and I'm really so thankful for you guys to be a part of my community, you guys, the Rawsueshii Christina LeRae community. What it is, what it do, okay? So first things first, I'm going to talk a little bit about my portrait though. This portrait was like a practice piece for me. I've been taking artwork by Gabrielle's classes on Skillshare, and my goodness, you guys, I love her classes, and I love her. She's such an amazing person, and I really enjoyed taking her classes on Skillshare, you guys. I took her portrait classes, and one of the things that she teaches for her portraits is basically like color blocking and getting in those values instead of starting off with a sketch first, because I tried to do this picture of the reference, which her name is Asia on Instagram, and I tried to do this picture multiple times, you guys, but I just couldn't get it because I guess it just wasn't working for me when I started out with the sketch lines. So I decided to try this technique of color blocking, and that really helped, you guys. I was so afraid to do this technique, you guys, because it definitely looked more complex to me, but it really isn't. All you have to do is just try it, and it really does help. So if you guys are interested in checking out her Skillshare class, check out my description below where I'll put the link to her class, you guys, and you can get it for 2 months free on me. Yes, you guys, that's gonna be so lit, so awesome. So definitely check that out. But yeah, you guys, I'm really excited because I have so many things planned, you guys. God is so great. Like, there's so many ideas that God is giving me, so many things that I have planned and I've just been thinking about, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So that's why it has been taking me a bit of time to post on my YouTube. So thank you all to all that understand and who are still there supporting me. Like, that is so amazing, you guys. Like, thank you for being patient on my journey. That's like all I ask for, is just for you guys to continue to be patient with me and just to be awesome people, as I know that you are. So thank you guys so much for that. Like, so much love to you all. Like, I'm so blessed, and I thank God for you guys. Like, every day y'all are awesome. So yeah, I'm really happy about this little makeup and art idea, since I really love makeup and art. So I was like, okay, why not combine a makeup video with an art video? So it's like the best of both worlds. So yeah, I really wanted to do this idea, try it out. Let me know what you guys think about this little idea in the comments below, and if you would like to see more of these little makeup and art videos, yeah, I'm thinking about doing a art video where I do something like with the theme of the colors and match my makeup to it. So yeah, I think that would be really cute. And right here, you can see a little clip of me drawing on my iPad, which I really wish I got more of, but I just wanted to put this in because I thought it was cool. And to tell you guys that I'm using Procreate on my iPad Pro. I think it's a 10.5 inch, I think. But yeah, I really love Procreate and the iPad Pro. It's been such a holy grail for me to draw on and paint on. Like, I love it so much, you guys. So I definitely recommend it. If you're interested in learning about Procreate more, or the iPad Pro and all that stuff and painting on it, check out my video where I have a tutorial on painting on the iPad Pro. So I'll leave that on my video to pop up here for you. So yeah, you guys, I'm having so much fun lately with just practicing excuse me, new skills and just learning more. So that's also what I've been doing on my little break, just trying to learn more, just trying to gain more information and to do a lot with that. So that's been what I've been really working on, and I'm really excited for what's to come in the future. Like, God has so many great things planned, and I'm just so excited. So that's all I have to do, and all I've been doing is just trusting in God and strengthening my faith, you guys, because that's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do every day. So yeah, but yeah, you guys, through the ups and downs, through trials and tribulations, God is always continuing to bless me because I choose to trust in Him, because that's all I can do at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Especially with everything that's going on in the world right now. Like, God is the way, the answer, the truth, and the life. Yes, amen, hallelujah. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys, that's just a little advice from me. Just trust in God. Just continue to seek that peace, and you'll be fine. And if you ever have any questions about if you need to improve your relationship with God or anything like that, you guys can DM me on my Instagram if you need some help with your spiritual journey, because that really makes my day when people come to me and ask how they can get closer to God and everything. It really makes me feel better to know that I'm helping somebody else out at the end of the day. That's awesome, and that's what I'm here for. So yeah, you guys, DM me if you need a little prayer or need to talk or something, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so yeah, you can see I'm really excited over here. I'm dancing and everything because, I'm feeling myself, you guys, because I'm getting ready for date night with Bae, okay? So I'm super excited, and, I'm just getting myself together, getting myself all cute or whatnot, you know what I'm saying? And, yeah, you guys, I didn't have all of my makeup stuff there, so I didn't even have eyeshadow, you guys. I actually used contour for my eyeshadow, which was okay because, shoot, you just got to use what you got, you know what I'm saying? So I had to do what I had to do, okay? Oh, yeah, right here, I am drawing a peony flower. I think that's how you say it. I hope that's how you say it. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, I was just like, you know what? I don't want to do, little simple, little butterflies, because I was just going to do, simple butterflies, but I wasn't even going to put details on it. I was like, you know what? Let me do, a detailed flower. So I looked up a peony, and oh, my gosh, a peony, I don't know how you say it. But, yeah, I decided to just draw it, and just drawing that alone, painting it digitally, was so much fun, you guys, because I learned a lot about painting flowers and everything. It was a great practice, so that was really, really fun, and it was a great addition to my portrait. So I'm really happy that I went that route and decided to draw the peony flower, or the peony, oh my goodness. But yeah, it came out really, really cute, and I'm really happy that I decided to add my little flower girl to my picture, okay? You know what I'm saying? Had to add a little pop, a little pizzazz, because that's what I've been trying to do, not just draw, pictures of people, but I gotta add a little something in, okay? And oh, this chapstick I'm using right here, so bomb. I love it. Oh my goodness. But where in the world did my Fenty Beauty lip gloss go? Now, I cannot do my makeup without my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Now, where did you go? Where you at? Oh, there you are. See, I knew I didn't lose you. I gotta have my little Fenty Beauty lip gloss now. But yeah, you guys, oh my goodness. But as of lately, you guys, I've been super excited about Disney Plus. Have you guys gotten it yet? So worth the $7 a month, you guys. Oh my goodness. Me and Bae have been watching Disney Channel throwbacks. We've been watching That's So Raven. and it is so worth it, you guys. Like, all of the Disney Channel original movies are on there, and especially a whole bunch of movies that you forgot even existed, and you're just like, whoa, I remember that movie. This is such a throwback, so nostalgic. So that is like so worth the investment, you guys. Like, so I'm super excited about Disney Plus. That's awesome, you guys. And also, I've been super excited and stoked that Netflix added Airs. That's like my favorite K-drama. Do you guys watch K-drama? Because, like, oh my gosh, I love K-drama so much, you guys. I can't wait to do more videos talking about that. But yeah, I'm like super stoked about that too. But yeah, I'm gonna talk about that more in other videos, you guys. But yeah, you guys, this is my completed look and my finished portrait. Oh my goodness, what do you guys think about the makeup look and the picture? Let me know down in the comments below, you guys. I had so much fun with this video. Like, I had so much fun, and I'm just happy to be posting again. So yeah, you guys, hopefully, you know, we are back and consistent. But you know, if not, hey, I'm still gonna be here. I'm still gonna be here, and we're still gonna be posting regardless. Okay, honey. So thank you for being patient with me and just being the amazing, supportive, and awesome subscribers that you are. I love you guys so much. And yeah, you guys, I will see you all on my next video. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.